What's going on, guys? It's me, Linsay, with LinsayMoore.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money with the Tik Tok app. Now, unless you have been living under a rock or whatever else, TikTok has become a very popular social media app over the last year or so. Now, this app used to be, is it Musical.ly or Musically or however you want to say it? This is what the app used to be, but now it's called TikTok. And like I said, it has now been the craze all over the internet. And even if you were to do a YouTube search, you can actually see a lot of these videos are getting, millions upon millions of views or whatever else. So like, again, this is a very popular app. And the reason why I want to do this video is because while there are a lot of people who are using this app, they're not monetizing it. And it's the same thing I've seen with YouTubers. It's the same thing that I see with people on Facebook and Instagram. They have these followings on there and they're not even monetizing their following because they don't know how to do it. Maybe they're scared to ask people to buy things from them or whatever else. Or they have some false belief that they need like a huge following, like Kim Kardashian or something like that, in order to get a lot of sales. And you don't, right? Even if you have a few hundred or a few thousand loyal followers, you can still monetize your audience in order to earn some income. Okay, so I want to share with you, let me see, about maybe like 4 things that's going to help you to make money with the TikTok app, right? And even if you're watching this and you're not on TikTok and you have a YouTube channel or something like that, you can definitely take this you can take this information as well and apply it to yours, because even with YouTube, you don't have to wait until you're approved by YouTube, become a YouTube partner and get paid from AdSense. That's just one way that you can actually earn income with YouTube. You can start earning money from day one with your YouTube channel, pretty much, if you know how to do it, right? So one of the things you want to do with the TikTok app, if you already have a huge following, what you want to start doing is you want to start reaching out to brands and letting them know about your following. So that way you maybe become a brand ambassador, or maybe you can even promote their products onto whenever you're doing like whenever you're on TikTok or whatever, right? So that's how you want to do that. You want to do that for starters, right? Also, it'll be even better if you actually made it more niche, right? So just like how, like I said, on YouTube and Instagram and things like that, how you have some pages and videos or video channels that are only solely focused on like maybe beauty, maybe one is on gaming or something like that. If you can get really niched with that, then that's even better, right? Because now brands really kind of see you as a niche influencer, and they'll actually send you free gifts of their products. And again, you also get paid sponsorships and everything else to promote their products as well. So if you have just a big random audience, you could probably still monetize that by reaching out to brands or whatever else, or brands will actually reach out to you. And then also, like I said, if you are actually growing a following over there on TikTok, then what you want to do is, if you can get it niched, if you can be like a soul beauty channel, a soul gaming channel, or comedy or whatever else, if you can get a super niche, that'll be even better for you in the long term, right? Then another thing that you can do is sell your own merchandise. So again, you do not need to have millions upon millions and millions of followers in order to sell your own merchandise, right? It only takes about an hour or so, maybe even less, to create a Shopify store. And if you don't know what Shopify is, Shopify.com, it's a place where you can create your own online e-commerce store and sell your own products, right? So this is something that I have done. I sold physical products. I sold a variety of different products in my stores. But with you can actually sell like your own t-shirts, kind of like Logan Paul or whatever else. You can sell your own t-shirts with your own designs. If you don't have a logo or anything like that, then you can always do text-based designs. So if it's something that you say a lot in your TikTok, clips or whatever else, you can put that onto a shirt and you can actually sell it like that. Actually, text-based t-shirts actually sell very, very well online, right? So you don't need to have any really crazy design in order to have success with that. If you have a following of people, they will support you, right? If you are consistently putting out content and you have people who are just coming to watch you every single day and everything else, trust me, they want to support you in your ventures. So give them something out there for them to support you with, right? So again, you don't need millions of subscribers to do this. You can do this with just a few hundred or a few thousand people. Go ahead and start selling your own merchandise, right? And then this is the fourth one, right? Or it might have been the third one or fourth one, I don't know. Is cross-promoting, right? So with the TikTok app itself, what you can do is you can start building up your other social media channels, okay? So if you have a YouTube channel, what you can do is, if you have a lot of followers on TikTok, tell them to come follow you on YouTube, right? Because when you start getting more views onto your videos on YouTube, if you have already been approved as a YouTube partner, you can start seeing an increase in your AdSense money because now you're having more people to watch your videos, okay? That's how you can monetize over there. Also, if you have a YouTube channel and let's say that you're promoting different products or services or anything like that, and you always have links inside of your description below the video, again, when you're sending people from TikTok over to YouTube, they're going to see more of your videos over there. So one, again, that's going to increase your views, increase your AdSense money. But then when they're watching those videos, they're going to look in the description below the video. They're going to see other products and services that you're offering. They may check those out and also buy from there as well. So you're going to probably generate additional streams of revenue just from your YouTube channel doing that, right? Same thing when you do with Instagram, and like I said, you have a following on Facebook. If you have those type of followings over there, again, it's going to increase your subscribers, right? Also, you can create paid retargeting ads to target those people, target your fans, target your following, and promote your merchandise, promote your services, do any type of affiliate marketing or anything like that. So those are different ways that you can actually monetize your audience on TikTok. Do not just create content only, right? If you have the opportunity to monetize your audience, you want to take full advantage of that, okay? Take full advantage of that, and that's what you want to do. You want to start selling your own merchandise. Get really niche when it comes to building your audience. Like I said, if you can build a really solid beauty channel, a solid fashion channel or something like that, it's going to work for you in the long term. And then also cross-promote. Cross-promote over to your additional social media channels so that way you can always monetize with that audience. It's so much you guys can do if you're using the TikTok app. So don't leave any money on the table, guys. All the stuff that I mentioned is very, very simple to do. And I also have other videos on my YouTube channel that shows you how to create a e-commerce store. If you're watching this and you also have a YouTube channel or whatever else, I also have a video showing how you can monetize your YouTube channel in 7 different ways. And I'll put those links below this video. But make sure you do that, and that's how you're going to be able to monetize your TikTok audience. So if you found this video helpful, guys, make sure you comment below. If you have any questions, also comment below as well. Also hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do more videos like this onto YouTube. And to the next video, guys.